After moving opening hours and General Electronic Services (GES) configurations to the Central Configuration Dashboard respectively in the February and May releases, their access from the Alma Configuration Menu has been removed to offer direct access only from the dashboard. This change is only visible at the network zone level. At the institution level, the access to both configurations will stay via the Alma Configuration Menu. Here in the Discovery Interface Display Logic section, you can find the links for General Electronic Services, General Electronic Services Order, and General Electronic Services Bib Fields Enrichment. If a library is part of a consortia, an institution zone admin may want to see the configuration that has been set up at the network zone level. To ensure data privacy, the network administrator can enable the feature. To do this in the network zone configuration, the network admin will go to General, then in the General Configuration section, click Other Settings. This opens the Customer Parameters table. Locate the parameter key Consortia Enable Member Network View. Open the Row Action menu and select Customize. Change the parameter value to True. Click Save to apply the changes. Now, when a member library opens its configuration menu, there will be a Network Zone option. This opens the View Only Network Zone Configurations page. Here, institution admins can see all the settings that have been configured at the network level. Once an institution has access to view the network zone configurations, they can copy settings that have been configured from the network. On the View Only Network Zone Configurations page, select a configuration to view. Note that not all configurations can be copied, and out-of-the-box features cannot be copied. For example, the Fund and Ledger Fiscal Period has the option to copy the entire table from the network. Additionally, there may be configurations, such as in the Acquisitions, Other Settings table. There are row action menus for specific parameters that you can select to copy from Network Zone. This allows a member to retrieve the values from the network level and override the current values of that configuration for their institution.